Hey, what is going on, everyone? It is fantastic to see you again. Today, I am extremely excited because I am going to share with you my complete American English pronunciation course. I've been working on this course for a really long time, and I know it has everything you need to become a clearer, easier to understand, and more confident English speaker. In this course, which includes 23 full video lessons, over 3.5 hours of video, you will learn exactly how to make every single sound in American English. You'll learn the correct mouth positions, the letters that make these sounds, the IPA symbols, and you will get a bunch of practice making each sound. Not only will you learn all the sounds in American English, you'll also learn how to pronounce sentences as a whole. You'll learn how to link words together and add intonation to make your speech sound confident, clear, and natural. I'll also explain all the important pronunciation terms you need to know, such as stress, syllable, voiced, voiceless sounds, aspiration, and many more. Every video will have a bunch of useful practice exercises, and the PowerPoint slides are available for you to download onto your computer and look at anytime you want. Many online English courses cost several $100s, but this course doesn't cost that much. It doesn't even cost $100. It doesn't even cost $50. All for the price of dinner and a movie. You can learn how to speak clear, confident English for the rest of your life. But I want to give you guys a deal. So, for the entire month of December, you can use the coupon code CLEARENGLISH20 to get 20% off the entire course. Simply enter CLEARENGLISH20 with all capital letters at checkout to receive this discount. Imagine how awesome it will feel to be able to speak correct, confident English that everyone can easily understand. Get this course today and become the English speaker you've always wanted to be. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for all of your awesome support over the past several months. It's really been cool seeing this channel grow and getting to connect with you guys and help you out with your English. So let's keep working. I'll keep growing this channel, and you guys keep studying hard to reach your English goals. Have a fantastic weekend, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Later, guys.